Morning, everyone. Morning, everyone. So it's currently 8:55 right now. And look at this. We have eyes. Look at the continuation from it. That's good continuation from Friday. Friday I was trading eyes right through these levels, but it wasn't breaking, so I stopped trading it. But look at this in the afternoon. Look at that. So it finally was able to break the wall at 450 we can say, and then for 450 had a nice bounce all the way to six. What was the height of this candle? 687, and they had a nice pullback. And this is a setup right here. Next 5 minute candle to make a new high, and also a test of the high of day. But look at that. Today we saw it actually went all the way up there. It made a new high, 960. Oh no, it did. I thought it did a menu high. Never mind. So 989 is Friday's high, but let's see what this is going to do right now. So I'm watching ICE right now. That's the second leading gapper. The leading gapper is ANCN. So ANCN right now we can say a test of VWAP is right at 646. ANCN I put on my level 2, but I want to see more momentum coming in. Let's see, 46 is the break of VWAP and also goes with the break of $0.50. But let's see, there might be a lot of sellers around this level. So let it pull back. Okay, right now I see a pullback. I also see well, the thing about ICE right now, that looks like I don't want to say a bear flag, still a bull flag right now. It's consolidating, but if it breaks below 80, then this can go all the way down to 829. But that's a pullback. But look at this false breakout on the 5 minute. So that's just a little. It gets a little suspicious with the trust in the stock right now. But ANCN now is having the pullback. Let's see what the pullback is going to do. Alright, so we see ICE now breaking that level. Like I said before, it was there was a pretty high chance of ICE breaking that level to the downside. It had to be really strong to just go make a 5 minute candle, to make a new high on the 5 minute candle. Let's see. Now I'm looking at ANCN. It has pulled back way too much, but let's see what this is going to do. These are the two I'm watching right now. One, ANCN is the leading gapper. Does it have news? I know ICE doesn't have news. So let's see. Nope, it does not have news. What about ANCN? ANCN. Let's see. Well, they put something on. It says shares are trading higher, not seeing any company specific news to justify the price action. So we gotta. So that's a little concerning. So the stock doesn't get halted on pending news right at the opening. But let's see ICE right now. Might be looking at this one closely. But right at 9 a.m., let's see if there's any news going on. Okay, let's see. ANCN. So 35 is next 5 minute count to make a new high. First 1 minute count to make a new high was right above 19. It went all the way up to 22, a couple cents, but let's see if it's gonna hold. That's a perfect 1 minute pullback right here. So 36 is the high around there. This has a highly chance of breaking VWAP, but let's say we gotta wait for confirmation. So 26 is the high on that one. No, I'm long there at 24. I wanna see if this can go, give it a little test. Let's see, I see 30. Selling half. Let's see, I wanna do an ad also for the break of VWAP right at 44. I'm all out on the rest. Okay, that was a good trade. Now let it do a pullback. I'm long there at 33. Now I want to see a test of break of VWAP right around 44, but let it pull back a little bit more. Just want to get a good entry. Okay, let it pull back right now. Now this is becoming more like a flat top breakout over here. Look at this. So 35 was a high and the previous 35. Look at that. So I'm actually, let me see, I can do an ad. I want to see where I can do an ad. What's the current high on the 1 minute? 631. So that's the current high on the 1 minute candles. Let's see on the next pullback. I'm actually adding over here right at 22. Oh, sorry about that. Let's see, let me pause this wallpaper over here. I'm not looking at the screen right. Let's see. I'll still hold my position because this has a very high chance of breaking. So I'll just hold it. Let's see. But I don't know why there's a lot of oh, he also sorry, I just lost a window over here. I'm trying to figure it out where it went. So let me write down actually, let's see. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so it's 9:04. Let's see what the leading gapper is going to do. I didn't see a lot of news going on. Okay, I'm trying to find out if this is gonna go. Let's see, putting this window away. I'm gonna put this one to the side. I'm just fixing the setup real fast. Oh, but look at the drop it had right there. Okay, let's see. So 627 is my position. Where can I do an ad? I wasn't looking at that one, but let's see. Right there, it should have broke. Okay, let me see where I can do a little ad. But I need to do, I'm not just gonna add to something coming down. I need to see the strategy. I need to see something for me to add aggressively to bring my average down. But if not, I'll just take the loss. Not a big deal. I also see Let's see. IMVT. IMVT. That one just went from right here. Let me lift this one over here. ANCN. IMVT. Look at this one. Look at the 1 minute count to make a new high. It just went from 1971 all the way to 21. Okay. $21.82. IMVT. Let me put on my level 2. And we can get a quick break of $22, but let's see right now. Let's do a 1 minute pullback. Because this one can easily break 21. There it is, right 21. Just went to 21.81, 20.81. So, but let's see. So the current high right now is 21.25. So let's see, 21.25 for the next 1 minute candle. My target is gonna be 21.82. But I wanna see breaking 21. I'm just gonna cut the loss on this one. So let's see, right now we have about 30 seconds left on this current candle. That's a 1 minute pullback. So let's see. 10 seconds. I'm long there. 20 what's it, 20.99? I'm looking now for the break of 21. Let's see if we're gonna get it right now. Next 1 minute count to make a new high. Little resistance right at 21, but let's see if it's gonna break it. Booking some profit, trying to minimize damage just in case. Let's see, there it is. Not 21.80. Okay, let's see, 82 is the target. It's gonna break 82. Just keeping 900 shares now. Let's see, is it gonna break? I'm all out. Do you guys see that? That was a nice trade over here. There's a setup. Next 1 minute count to make a new high. That's exactly what it is. And my target was the high of day, which was 21.82, and then let's see. I'm long, quick long over there at 75. Let's see if it's gonna break. 82 is a high, and I see more bowling coming in. Just a small trade right here. Let's see, I see 70. A little bit more bowling that comes in. 21.82 is gonna break. There it is. I tried to sell in that pop, but my orders didn't get filled. So let's see. Okay, I'm all out over there, right at 22. That was a better trade. So now let it do a 5 minute pullback. Now this is too extended on the 5 minute. I need to pull back. It needs a pullback. So let's see right now. That was a better trade right there, but right now it's a 5-minute pullback. Let's see what ICE is doing right now. So it needs to break right about this 5-minute candle, which is 905. What was the high at 905? So we can there might be a trade over here for the break of $9. So for example, I'm long there for the break of $9. That's a quick trade over there. 89 is my entry. Okay, let's see, is it gonna hold? And I'm all out over there. Just 500 shares, quick trade. Nothing big. Look at that. Sold too soon. It happens. That was the next 5-minute candle to make a new high. Is it gonna hold $9? I don't know if it's gonna hold $9. Long there 11. I wanna see a quick pop. So $9 is my exit. I just wanna know if it's gonna hold 9. Next 1 minute count to make a new high. Yeah, it did. It was over 915. Right at 914 right now. I'm all out. That was a better trade. That's what I was looking for the break. The $9. Look at that. 26, 30. Now I can look for the break of the $0.50. Let's see the $0.50. But it's a pullback right now. It's just all over the place. Choppy. I'm long there at 40 for the break of 50. And I'm out at 50. Quick trade. This one's just going straight up. 960 is the high pre-market. Look at that, look at that. It's gonna break it. It's gonna break it. But I don't want to get long right now. And it's gonna do a pullback. Let it wait. Let it wait. It's gonna hold the 50 mark. I'm long there for the break of 60. Ooh, okay, let's see it. 50 breaks, I'm out. Hell, I'm not holding this. So 58 is my average cost. I'm all out right there. So I was trying to aim for something big over there, but let's see. Just like that, I went break even on that stock. I'm looking now back for the break of the $0.50, so I'm adding a position right at 35, and I'm gonna hold this a little bit because now this can go all the way up there easily. So I see 29. Gonna do that pullback over there, a 1 minute pullback. I don't mind it. People are gonna start buying over here. I'm actually adding over here in the 30 when it was at 30. I'm building a nice position for the nice bounce. So there it is. I'm okay with this because I know this one now has the eyes of a lot of people. It has attention now. A lot of people are seeing the way it just moved over here. This thing just went from 878 all the way to 962. Incredible. So my average for now is 933. I wanna see a test of 950. 26, 27. I'm okay. I'm gonna hold it a little bit more. So the high over there was right about 35. So now we're looking at the next 1 minute count to make a new high. It's gonna be over 935. So let's see. Let it dip down a little bit more. Okay, let's see. I'm okay with holding this one for a little bit longer. I really don't mind it. Because this one, it can go really fast. Next 1 minute count to make a new high. So right 930, 35. And look at that, it just went, it's right at 25. So 20, now it's kind of like the point over here. As soon as it breaks 35, we might see a nice surge. and I want to wait for that moment. I want to wait and capitalize on that moment. So by doing that, I already have to be in. But let's see, it also carries a little bit of risk at the same time. Okay, we got the 5 minute. Let's see the next 1 minute, and look at that flush you had right there. But let's see what this is going to do. So I'm just gonna wait for it. It's still pretty. I mean, I'm still bullish in it. But what a ride, man! What a ride from here. And look at this. As soon as a 5 minute. It was probably a big seller that popped up. Or just probably they hit a market order and that thing just went in. Let's see what this is going to do. I'm just gonna wait for this one. Because look at this, there's high green volume and just a little red volume. Look at that flush hat. That's what I'm saying. Someone probably had to do a market order, big market order, because you just flushed from 9 to 8. But well, in the meantime, I'm gonna hold this. In the meantime, let's go over the watch list. So ANCN, we saw that one, it couldn't break, so I stopped, and that's really sad to see. But maybe we see a nice pop right at the open. The leading gapper, the second leading gapper, now it became IMVT. That one gave us nice pops. I mean, this is doing a setup right here. Next 5 minute count to make a new high. So let me point it out. Just to hold that, and then let's see, I can do it from this. So right here, that next one is to go. I also see now the third leading gapper is ICE, but this one, because did this move, now it's gonna get a lot of attention. So let's see now. Next one is NETE. But look at this. Compared to the other charts, people are not interested in this. You can just tell. I can tell you on ICE right now we have 47 million shares of volume right now, and pretty high. Volume is pretty high on that one. And we also have this is the fourth. Okay, the fifth is ARDS. But look at this, no volume, so I'm not into. So what I'm seeing right now is people interested in not ANCN, not that one, because look at that, doesn't show anything. ICE is the one they're looking at. I can tell you that. They're gonna wait for that because the same thing. This has a pattern. Same thing did. Look at this. It was just selling off, and out of nowhere, same thing happened. Sells off, and then, boom, goes back. Sells off, and then. So this is not a surprise me. I want to hold this a little bit longer. This one probably to see what happens at the end of the day, but with the stop loss. Because this is really interesting what it's doing right now. Very interested. But alright guys, those on YouTube. I'll get back to you guys tomorrow, same time, around 8:45, 9 a.m. I'll be here on the stream. If you guys like the content, please leave a like and subscribe. And also on the description, I have a link to my private Discord, so you can guys go